this video, I'm going to show you how to add a model number into your project that has no visual representation. This is a quite common occurrence across various manufactured data. For instance, you may find many electrical components or some hardware that have no 3D graphics available. So how do you add this to your project? This is not a problem at all. You can still add this model number to your project while you are within the Scene Builder screen. This would allow you to add all the components required to build this project and provide your customer with an accurate price for this project. When a graphic is not available for a model, you are then presented with a grayscale image of that model. Sometimes it's referred to as a line art graphic or the no image available icon. Now let's add one of these items to the scene. Let's tap Add Item. I'm going to search for the item. As you can see, I found one here. It has nothing available. So there's your camera icon. Tap. And how do I add this to the scene? Simply tap on the icon, hold, and drag that over to the right. The act of dragging it to the right will add that to your scene. You're not going to visually see it, but it is going to add it to your list view. So the moment I release my finger, you will see there's a visual confirmation that'll appear on the right hand side. It'll say item added, see list view. You also then are going to be presented with the no 3D model hint pop-up message. Tap OK. Successfully added. As you can see, there's no item that is visually shown on the scene. Now let's go and add another item. Let's hit search, and this time I'm going to look for this particular item. Again, item is not available graphically, but I can still add that to the scene. I'm going to drag that in to the scene. I'm going to release, add it to the scene. And this time, I don't want to be presented with this hint message anymore. So I'm going to go ahead and say, don't show again. The fact that I've done that also allows me to re-enable this at a later date if I so choose. Simply go to your settings, find Kits Mobile, where it says show no 3D model hint. Tap that off. When you come back into the scene, when I drag this in, you'll no longer be prompted to add that item into the scene. Now let's go see those items in your list view. To view, edit, or remove any of these models that have no corresponding 3D graphics, tap the list view button. It's located on the right, fourth button down. The list view screen appears. Now, to delete a model number that you added that had no corresponding 3D graphic, all you'll have to do is search for it on your list, tap on it, and you'll get a blue bounding box around it. That's telling you that that is the active line that will now be removed. So the moment I tapped on that, the remove icon appeared on the left hand side. Tap remove, and it's now removed from your project. If the quantity value is 1, then the line will be permanently deleted, as you've just seen. But if the line has a quantity greater than 1, such as in this example, then you will need to keep tapping the remove button until the entire quantity is deleted for the selected model number, such as tap, see that the quantity 2, tap remove once, see the quantity has decreased by 1, tap remove again, and then the line is permanently deleted from the list view.